Brand new for PhotoLab 7 is the expanded color and black and white rendering section. You can now create DCP profiles within PhotoLab without the Calibrate software if you have the Calibrate color checker target. Now, this example is with the Passport Photo 2 product. As you can see here, I have taken a picture of the target, which will help us in creating the profile. And what you do is come over here and first of all, make sure that you're in the DxO wide gamut. It won't work if you're in classic. You have to choose the DxO wide gamut working color space. You're going to come down to this little box right here and you're going to click on it and you'll see activated in the lower left-hand corner of the workspace, the chart type. And we want to click on this and choose the right one, which is the Passport Photo 2. And then just come up to the picture of the target and draw. Just like that, drag across and reposition for those little bitty squares to fit inside of the bigger squares. As I'm doing right here. And then it's just very simple. Down right here you see Save and Apply. So you click on that and you get a dialog box. You can put anything you want in there. And I'm going to go ahead and just enter the word example. And then you can designate the directory that you want those to go in. So I'll put that right there, hit save, and it's voila, automatically saved. Now, how do you use this? Okay, what you do is you navigate to the photograph that you want to more or less clean up, which is this one right here. And you come back over to the dialog box, you click on this, and it may say generic rendering. So let's take a look at the image as it appears straight out of the camera. This is with no adjustments whatsoever, except pin cushion and barrel distortion and a little bit of sharpening, but it has nothing to do with the color. So what you'll do is come in, click this, DCP profile, and then the example is automatically applied and you can see the effect that that's having on the image. Now the black and white portion of this panel is located right here beside the color section. You click on it and it activates the black and white functionality, and you'll notice in this drop down list right here you can have generic rendering or you can have black and white film. And if you click on it, you'll see a list that comes up right here that shows 3 choices of black and white film emulations, one of which of course is the Kodak Tri-X 400, something I'm sure all film photographers have used at one time or another. But if you have the Film Pack 7 installed, all of these other film emulations will come to life. Personally, I'm happy with the Tri-X. That's the only thing I think I would even ever use. And of course you can adjust the intensity of the effect. You can see it happening, the changes happening right there. And if you scroll down, the really nice change is the channel mixer down here that works exactly like it does in Photoshop, where you take the red and move to the right and it gets brighter. And you can see the colors in the red in the American flag right there getting brighter, and then the red stripes getting darker. Same thing for all the other colors. A lot of yellow in this image, so we'll brighten it up or we can darken it to our taste, and so on down the line. Now, one thing I will tell you, these little ferns right here are green, which will be a better reaction adjusting them with the yellow than you will with the green slider. See, when you adjust the green, it barely changes at all. But when you move the yellow, then all the green colors will adjust. And so that's it. It's pretty simple, very straightforward, very intuitive. The black and white and color rendering section in DxO PhotoLab.